No matter what brand of car you drive in the future, or if you're helping your neighbors fix theirs, this tool handles it flawlessly. Today, we are unboxing the iCarsoft CR Pro S. It gives you dealer-level diagnostic power, without those unreasonable subscription fees. It makes DIY repair more powerful and liberating than ever. Truly the ultimate ace in your family garage. The iCarsoft CR Pro S delivers comprehensive all-system and all-model vehicle coverage. As the fully upgraded version of the CR Pro Plus, this powerful device supports over 58 car brands worldwide and features up to 50 advanced special service functions. Let's open it up and take a look. First, it comes in this high-quality carrying case, which provides excellent protection for your tool. And here is the main unit. The host device features a 5-inch touchscreen. The design is incredibly sleek, and it feels absolutely premium in your hands. It feels much better and runs way smoother than previous physical button models. First, you also get an OBD2 diagnostic cable to securely connect to your vehicle. Second, a comprehensive user manual in 6 languages: English, German, French, Spanish, Italian, and Dutch. Third, and a durable USB cable for charging and data transfer. Once we boot up the device, here is our main menu. First, let's look at the diagnostic menu. If you tap into it, you'll see a complete showcase of worldwide car models. The system neatly categorizes vehicles into American, European, and Asian makes. This layout allows you to locate your specific vehicle at the fastest speed possible and run a full system scan immediately. Hidden fault codes won't stand a chance. Now, let's talk about the soul of this machine. Beyond basic diagnostics, it boasts 50 special service functions. In the service menu, you'll find the absolute essentials we use most often, such as oil reset, DPF regeneration, air suspension adjustment, and injector coating. Next is the update interface. It features built-in Wi-Fi for one-click updates. Whenever there is a new software release or a new car model added by the manufacturer, you don't need to connect to a computer. Just tap right here to update your vehicle software instantly, keeping your tool with the latest software. Inside the user data interface, you can read the built-in digital version of the user manual anytime if you need a quick refresher, and you can also look up diagnostic trouble codes instantly. Finally, in the setting interface, you can easily select your preferred system language. Since this tool is a global bestseller, it offers a total of 15 languages to choose from. Additionally, you can configure personalized settings here to customize the tool exactly to your liking. With all accessories included, it's ready to work right out of the box. Packed with features and backed by lifetime free updates, the iCarsoft CR Pro S is the smartest investment for your garage. Click the link below to grab your ultimate garage assistant today.